Introduction of coins and currency notes. Coins 50 paise, 1, 2, 5, 10. Currency notes 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100. Coins and currency notes. See which notes were paid to the shopkeeper to buy the article. Coins and currency notes. See how many rupees there are in each line and write the number in the empty box. Coins and currency notes. Sonu went to a shop. See how many 1 rupee coins she got in exchange for her 10 rupee note. I have a 5 rupee note. See how many coins I get in exchange for it.
The coins in use are as shown alongside. We have 50 paise coins, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin and 5 rupees coin. Nowadays we also have 10 rupees coin. Now let's see the currency notes in use as shown alongside. We have 1000 rupee note, 500 rupee note, 100 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 5 rupee note, 2 rupee note and 1 rupee note. Let us take a few examples to understand this. Example: see the notes and coins shown alongside. We have a 5 rupee note, a 2 rupee coin and a 1 rupee coin. You have already been taught how to add numbers. Arrange the numbers vertically, means one below the other as shown. Put the plus sign as shown. Now first add 5 plus 2 equal to 7. Now the remaining 1 rupee should be added to 7. That is 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Hence, now taking all together, 5 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 8. The answer is 5 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to rupees 8. See the next example too. Here we have a 10 rupee note, a 2 rupee note and a 2 rupee note. Arrange the numbers vertically as shown to add them and hence find the total amount. First, we will add 10 plus 2, which is equal to 12. The remaining 2 will be added to 12. That is 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Hence, taking all together, 10 plus 2 is equal to 14. The answer is 10 plus 2 is equal to rupees 14. Similarly, the other examples shown can be evaluated. See the notes of rupees 2 given alongside. We have 2 notes of 2 rupees. So, totally we have 2 plus 2 is equal to rupees 4. Now, if we have one 1 rupee coin, to get a total amount of rupees 4, we will have to add 1 rupee coin one by one. See alongside. That is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Let us add one more 1 rupee coin. Thus, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. But we want the total to be 4 rupees. So, let's add one more 1 rupee coin. That is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So, we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. We had to take 4 1 rupee coins, equal in value to 2 2 rupee notes. Hence, answer is 2 2 rupee notes is equal to 4 1 rupee coins. Now, if we use 2 rupee coins in place of 1 rupee coins, and if we wanted same total of rupees 4, how many 2 rupee coins should be taken? Let us take 2 2 rupee coins and add them. Thus, 2 2 rupee coins are equal to total of 4 rupees. Hence, answer is 2 2 rupee notes is equal to 2 2 rupees coins. Let's take another example. If we have a 5 rupee note and a 2 rupee note, the total amount is equal to 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 rupees. Now, if we want coins of equal value, we can take same value coins. That is, 1 5 rupee coin plus 1 2 rupee coin. Then 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 rupees. Now, let us try taking different coins. Let us take 2 2 rupee coins. Now, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Again, add a 2 rupee coin. That is, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. But we require a total of rupees 7. As of now, we have 6 rupees. We know that if we add 1 to 6, we get 7. So, after having taken 3 2 rupee coins, now take 1 1 rupee coin. Thus, we get 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. Now, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. We have got our required total amount. Hence, answer is 3 2 rupee coins and 1 1 rupee coin added together are of equal value to the total amount of rupees 5 note and rupees 2 note. Next, let's see how many notes of each kind make rupees 20. See alongside. If we add 20 1 rupee notes, we get rupees 20. Add and see. Write 20 in the box. Keep on adding 2 rupee notes till you get the number 20. You will see that 10 notes of 2 rupees make 20 rupees. Therefore, write 10 in the box.